I had a client call me the other day who had gotten injured in a boating accident, and he wanted to know what are some of the common mistakes that are made in a boating accident case as far as him as a potential plaintiff. One of the most important things is that they don't get treatment for their injuries, or they wait to get treatment for their injuries. Days pass before they go to the hospital, before they get evaluated by a doctor, becomes a negotiating tool by the other side to argue, well, if you weren't injured, or if you were injured, you would have gone to the hospital. But obviously you weren't injured, and that's why it took you 6-7 days to go to the hospital. Obviously something else happened, which we know did not happen, but it becomes part of their negotiating tools to try to whittle away the value of your case. Another common mistake is that people post information about the accident or what they've done after the accident on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Every defense attorney that I know, every defense adjuster I know, some of the first things they do when they get notified of a claim is they get on social media and try to find out any type of information they can about that potential person. If that person went out and walked on the beach, they then, after an accident, they're going to use that information and say, well, that person walked 15 miles that day, so obviously they weren't injured, just because there's a picture on social media. So we try to get our clients to temper the amount of information that they're sharing on social media once there could be a potential claim, because all that's used for negotiating between both sides. And that kind of goes into the next thing, is to retain an attorney early, because to retain the right lawyer, a trial lawyer, who can take your case from beginning to end. But having that information from an attorney can help you as the client negotiate through those potential hiccups, so it becomes a lot more smooth sailing and not so much burden put on you as the potential client. And then we take that load off of you, and we're the ones that help you navigate through that.